right, guys, I'm gonna give you a 5-minute booty burner that you can do absolutely anywhere, okay? All you need is yourself, and I'm gonna use a stair today. So a stair, a stool, a bench, a stepper, anything that you have, just nothing too high, okay? My stairs, it's pretty shallow, pretty short, okay? And we're gonna just use that. I don't even have shoes on, so you can absolutely do this anywhere, anytime, super easy, okay? It's gonna be 5 minutes. We're gonna go single-sided work, so 30 seconds each side, and I'm gonna set you up between each move, okay? All right, so here we go. We're gonna start with that right foot up on the stair. Left foot is behind you, so you're in a nice starting lunge position. Go ahead and start that timer. Good, we're gonna just take a little lunge, and then we're gonna come up and give a little kickback. Take that lunge, step up onto that stair, give a little kickback. Bending both knees, kicking back with that left leg. Good, so all of my weight is in that stair. My right knee is tracking with my big toe, second toe. Okay, so we want to protect that knee. Coming into that lunge, both knees bend a lot. I almost lost my balance there. Good, now we're gonna go to that other side. Left foot up, okay, right foot back. Take a minute to set yourself up. We're gonna go in 4 seconds. Here we go. Both knees bend, give a little kick back. Core is nice and tight. Both knees bend a lot, okay? You should feel work through the center of that left glute. Sending all of my weight into that stair. Here we go. All right, next exercise. We're gonna take that right foot back onto the stair, left foot is on the floor, and we're gonna take a little pulsing action. So you're gonna find a squat. That's where you're gonna stay, right in that squat, and now we're just gonna pulse. We're gonna pulse. Little lift, little lower. My right foot is on the stair, but my right knee stays bent. That doesn't change too much. My little extension comes through that left side. I'm sitting back in my glutes, okay? So I'm sending those sits bones way back to the wall behind me. My chest is lifted. My torso only tilts forward because I reach with my sits bones. Okay, we're gonna take that other side. So turn around, get that left foot up on the stair. Find that nice squat position, okay? Feet are about shoulder width apart. Find your squat, and now we're gonna pulse. Little pulse. Little lift, little lower. Core is tight the whole time. I want you to feel the movement initiate from the center of that right glute. Okay, find the lift right there. You guys, almost there. We're gonna come down onto our back, do a little bridge work, okay? Next one, you're gonna lie down on your back. You're gonna take that right foot on top of the stair, left leg is lifted, and now we're gonna lift those hips. Up and down, up and down. Now when I come down, I never fully rest those hips on the floor. I want you to keep a little hover. Think about sending both hip bones up towards the ceiling, okay? Both of those hip bones, they move together. Find the contraction and the squeeze in the glute at the top of the lift. Good, here we go. We're gonna take that other side. So set that left foot up on the stair, extend that right leg, get ready to lift those hips in 4, in 3, 2, here we go. Think about driving the hips up. Find the squeeze through the center of that left glute. Find the contraction at the top of the movement. Never set that booty down. Keep it hovering. We're gonna come back into a standing position. We're almost there, in 5. Here we go. Okay, guys. Coming back up, we're gonna stand. We're gonna take that right foot back on the stair. We're gonna find a squat position again, just like we did in that other movement. Find your squat. You're gonna stay right there. Now right foot, take it down, take it up. Take it down, take it up. Little lift, little lower. You're staying engaged and low in that left side. Okay, core is still tight. Remember, in a squat, the reason your torso tips forward is because you're reaching back with those sitting bones right from the center of the glute. My right foot is super light, okay? All my weight is through the left leg. We're gonna take that other side. Here we go, so set it up, turn around. Find that nice squat position, feet shoulder width apart, okay? Find that squat, hold that squat, reaching back with those sits bones. We're gonna tap that foot. Core is on. Really tight right here. Nice and engaged in that right side. Nothing changes. All my weight is through that right side. All right, guys. All right, we're going to sit down for this one. So, on the floor, left leg in front, right foot in back. A little mermaid position, okay? Hands come down around that left knee. We're going to pick up that right leg, flex that right foot, and send that heel back. Little push back. Little push back. That leg never ever touches the ground. The right leg is lifted off the floor. My shin, my knee, they're parallel to the floor. My foot is flexed. I'm sending my heel back behind me. Think about driving that heel behind your body. Find that length and that lift. This should feel shaky. Okay, guys, we're gonna switch sides. Right leg in forward, left leg in back. Hands come down around that right knee, okay? Pick up that left foot, flex the foot, and then we're gonna send it back. Here we go. Keeping that left leg off the ground completely. Send your heel, drive that heel back behind you. Find that reach, find that extension. Almost there, guys, almost there. 5 minutes, doesn't take long to heat up that booty. Okay, guys, really simple. 5 exercises, 5 minutes, no shoes even, just a stair, my own body. Okay, you can absolutely do that anywhere. If you want there goes that timer. If you want a little bit more work, do that 2 more times. Get some nice work through those glutes. Awesome job, you guys.